Motorola is bringing the Edge X30 Pro smartphone on August 2. It will have a 200 megapixel main camera and a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. And now we also know what the phone will look like. We have one big lens and two smaller ones below in a small rectangular setup on the back. The new flagship will support 100-watt charging rates. Back in March, 1GM at Lenovo posted a photo of a 125-watt adapter on their Weibo, revealing the brick weighs only 130 grams. We expect it to break ground next week and we could even see it in retail box. The phone is also reportedly on TINA with up to 16GB RAM and 512GB storage. The OS will be Android 12 and Motorola listed the phone in 9 colors, but we doubt we will see all of them during the launch. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.